New GoPro camera is coming out and we got the sneak peek. Stay tuned. Last year we released a GoPro Hero 7 specs video before its release and it was pretty on point. And this year we are waiting for the new GoPro flagship. With specs and its possible release date, we will discuss in this video. Rumors are we are getting the upgraded version of the GoPro Fusion, which could go by the name of GoPro Max. With photos leak definitely seems interesting. Thanks to photo rumors. However, we are waiting for the official release, which will be most probably in the month of September. That means within a month. And delivery starts maybe within 10 days of the release. Coming to the specs, we expect better performance than Insta360, which is pretty good in the market. The GoPro Fusion Max 360 most probably would be shooting 5.6K at 24, 5.2 at 30 and 3K at 60 fps. Larger display, small form factor looks amazing. Talking about GoPro Hero 8, rumored specs include 4K at 120 fps. That would be awesome. And Full HD at 480 fps. Insane. New camera lens and monster GP2 chip. Bigger screen, better stabilization, high bitrate. There could be addition of accessories for the camera, like to mount mic, LED light, or external screen for the vlogging. I hope it's compatible with Hero 5, 6 and 7. Overheating should not be a problem, and if it's waterproof with additional accessories, it would be an icing on the top. We hope you like it and share and subscribe for the further updates and hands-on. Have a nice day. So I hope it's useful and you like it. So hit the subscribe button, anyways it's free.